Hey, welcome back to For Java tutorial by FocusUs. This is Ravindra, and in this video we are going to learn printf method in Java. Believe or not, just like in C programming, if you have learned earlier, there is printf method in Java besides print and println statement. So this printf method allows us to do formatted console output. That means we can print output in certain format. So we can use printf method by system.out.printf. So inside this round bracket we have two arguments. First argument is FormatString and second argument is arglist. So our first argument FormatString can consist of fixed text and format specifiers such as %d, %s, %e, etc. It is also the placeholder for the value and specifies the types of data. Different format specifiers are listed in this table here and its description. So %d is the placeholder for integer decimal, that means we use integer number here. %f is the placeholder for floating point value. %e is the placeholder for floating point number in exceptional notation, and so on. So our second argument is arglist. It is comma separated list of argument that will be formatted accordingly to the format specifiers. Now we'll write the program and understand it more clear. So let's code. Now we know this is the default format to write a Java program, and until now we have learned variables and its declaration, data types, and what are print and println statements. So now I'm just writing a stupid and dumb program which will have my dog's name and its age. So let's declare a variable called name which has value mg and close it by semicolon. Mg is string, so its data type is string. Now age of dog is integer, so its data type should be int. Let's keep its variable name age and its value 3. Now we are going to use printf method to print this in the screen. So to do that, as discussed earlier, we need to write system.out.printf and double round bracket and semicolon. Inside here I'm just going to write one string. Of course string should be in double inverted comma. I'm just going to write my dog name is. Since my dog name will be of string, we need to write format specifier %s. Now our string part is finished, so give comma here and write the variable name which holds our dog's name. The variable name which holds dog's name mg is name, so we are going to write name here. So now to print dog's age, we need to again write system.out.printf and give this bracket and semicolon. Here we need to write string inside double inverted comma, and I'm just gonna write my dog's age is %d. So here %d again is our format specifier which is the placeholder for integer. Since our dog's age will be integer, our dog's age is 3 which is stored in variable age, so we are just going to write age here, and let me just quickly save it. Since our class is public, we should write file name same as class name which is printf. So I'm just going to write printf.java and save it. Here is our printf file. Now in order to compile it and run it, of course we need to go to command prompt and desktop. Now we should write java c and file name which is printf and its extension .java. Compile it by java printf, and here we have our output. It is in same line. To make it in next line we should give this slash and and. So it is going to print my dog name is mg in one line and my dog's age is 3 in next line. So let's compile it and run it. Here we have it, our output. Now instead of writing these two lines of code, we can combine it in single line also. So to do that, we just need to write system.out.printf and as usual bracket and semicolon. We are going to write some string, so give double inverted comma. My dog name is %s and it is %d years old, and take it to the next line by /n. and give comma here, and then first format specifier is percentage s, and percentage s denotes string which is stored in name. So I'm just going to write name followed by age. So once we do that, let's see the output. The output is my dog name is MZ and it is 3 years old. Now in this way we can write it in the same line also. So don't worry, I'm going to explain it all now. So we just have public class called printf, and inside public class we have a main method, and in main method we have variable called name whose value is MZ, and we also have another variable called age whose value is 3. So we just use this. So here we just use this printf method to print the dog's name in the screen, and this is the format specifier which is the placeholder for string. Our string here is mz, which is stored in variable name. So we have name here. In the same way we have another printf method which will print the dog's age, and we have format specifier %d, which is the placeholder for integer. The integer here is 3, which is stored in variable age. So we have age here. So at last we have combined the previous two codes, and we have two format specifier here, %s and %d. %s is the placeholder for name, whereas %d is the placeholder for age. So in this way it forms a certain format. That's why it is also known as formatted output. If there is any problem regarding this video, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye everybody.